Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Super Toy. Today I wanted to show you this GeoTrax train set from Fisher Price. This train set has 3 sections. The first one is the engine and the other 2 connects to the engine. Here's the first part of the train, and this is the engine, and it has 4 wheels, and the battery goes in here, and there's some windows, and there's some lights on the top, and there's a connector in the back which will help you to connect the other section of the train. And then we have the second section of the train. And here's the third section of the train. Now let me show you how this train goes on the track. First I will obviously go ahead and put the engine. And then once the engine is on the track, I will go ahead and put the second section. And after that I'll go and put the third one. Once we have that set up, I can just go ahead and hit this red button to activate the train, and the light will come on the top of the train. And this train set comes with a remote control which helps you to drive the train. And if you want to stop the train, you can just go